Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome. I'm going to show you how you can add or upload a Shopify theme as a zip file. So this is now a third party or external. So let's jump in. On the left hand side, you will see your sales channels and you want to tap on the online store. Now automatically it'll open up your themes page. And you want to just scroll down a bit where you see theme library, and on the right hand side you will see add theme. Now once you've gone into add theme, you can either visit the theme store, but here we want to upload a zip file. Now once you tap on this, you will either be able to drag and drop it into this box, or you can simply tap on the add file and it'll access your device files and you can add it straight from there. I've now selected a file on my device and I'm going to tap on upload file. Now depending on the size of this file, it will take a few seconds to a few minutes to actually upload. Once it is uploaded, you'll see on the right hand side you'll have a few options. First of all, you can publish your theme. This means that this theme will go live, so when your online store is opened, this is the theme that will be viewed. The second option is to customize this theme. This will allow you to completely customize the look and feel of your store using these themes. If this was a helpful guide, be sure to drop us a like and we'll see you in another awesome video. Cheers for now, peeps.